What's up, family? Welcome once again. Warm greetings from this end of mine, and thank you so much for always joining my space. I'm grateful to have a conversation with you this day. This is how I'm starting my vlog. It's a very nice morning, a day before the last day of this month. I'm grateful, guys. Of late, I've not been that good. I've been sick and I'm under some prescription, so but I'm reviving. I'm actually doing good. So I'm very happy for all your support. And I start my vlog today by having some breakfast. Actually, I'm doing breakfast. Let me show you. So you may join me at the dining table whereby I'm having some black tea, some two slices there, some parathas, and fish. I come from a county whereby we're near the lake, the Great Lake Victoria. So it's nice eating fish in the morning. It's a nice breakfast. So you may welcome. This is how we take. It's actually sweet. The pepper is quite extreme. I put a lot of pepper in there, but that's what I like. It's a prescription. I'm told pepper is good for common cold, and it also curbs some chest problem. So guys, I've just decided to reach a space first to thank you guys for your support. Before we proceed to today's vlog, because I'm having today a very amazing story of inspiration. So before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Tonyxstar community. Explore the other videos, my previous videos. I do lives, shorts. Feel free to take a tour within the community and interact with most of my posts. Most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the notification button so that whichever time I upload the video, you are the first one to be notified. Okay? It's very nice. Very sweet.
Si tamu kama ya nyama.
Unasema hivyo.
Niko venye ni Vitu zenye nilikuwa napenda kukula. Nishike ball, nimechukia. Venye nakula tu ili mradi nakula.
Guys. Well. Here's another evening. I'd come to check this piece of land. It's nearby our home. Last time we did not plant here. So this season I'm planning on farming this land. It's clear. Very clear, as you can see. All the grass and the weeds have been slashed down so that it can be tilled, and by the drop of the first rains, because the clouds are also within, we plant. We do the planting. We do the planting. Hey, these coffee bushes, they are of age. Who can believe this, actually? If I may tell you that these coffee bushes were planted even before I was born. Who can believe it? Who can believe it? I guess no one. We'll have to burn these grasses and till this land. It's a vast one. Here we may plant. Yeah. So I just come to pop in to visit this piece of land, preparing it. Maybe this season I can put some crops to help in this rural home of mine before I go to town a bit. So this was my evening lap, because today I was just at home. Why? I've been ailing, but I'm glad I'm good. Yeah. In my life, I think I talked more, so If you've not watched my live, you may go check me out. And thank you so much for the support as well. So if you're new here, maybe you think on growing this channel, most importantly, subscribe. And also don't forget to leave a comment on your opinion about my videos so that with feedback I may improve. I'll be very glad to hear from you and be always present to answer you back, because I always also answer, interacting with my family, every member of this Tonyxstar community. So feel very assured of my engagement at the comment section. Okay? Yeah. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you for your time. Bye.